Welcome back to Sir B YouTube channel. Today, we are going to solve an exponential equation. So we have 3 raised to 4x multiplied by 4 raised to x plus 4 equals 12. Okay? To solve this equation, we need to take the logarithm both sides of the equation. So we have logarithm of 3 raised to 4x multiplied by 4 raised to x plus 4 equals logarithm of 12. Now, we need to apply the properties of logarithm. The logarithm of the product is the sum of the logarithms. So we have logarithm of 3 raised to 4x plus the logarithm of 4 raised to x plus 4 equals logarithm of 12. Now, another property, we need to bring down 4x and multiply it by the logarithm of 3. Plus, bring down x plus 4 and multiply it by the logarithm of 4 equals logarithm of 12. Now, we need to distribute x plus 4 to the logarithm of 4. X logarithm of 4 plus 4 logarithm of 4 equals logarithm of 12. Now, we need to isolate the logarithm with the variable x. For x, logarithm of 3 plus x logarithm of 4 equals logarithm of 12 minus 4 logarithm of 4. Now, we need to factor this out. So x and x have x multiplied by 4 logarithm of 3 plus logarithm of 4 equals logarithm of 12 minus 4 logarithm of 4. Now, we need to divide both sides by 4 logarithm of 3 plus logarithm of 4. Okay? 4 logarithm of 3 plus logarithm of 4. So, this will be cancelled. So, our value of x is logarithm of 12 minus 4 logarithm of 4 all over 4 logarithm of 3 plus logarithm of 4. Of course, you can get the decimal value of that logarithms. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.